Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. The battle between ChatGPT and Google in 2026 is heating up, and Americans are asking the big question: is traditional search about to disappear? With AI advancements accelerating at lightning speed, ChatGPT and other AI-powered tools are transforming the way we look for information, shop online, and even make decisions. In this article, we'll break down why ChatGPT might be challenging Google's dominance and whether it could truly replace search engines forever. Google has been the king of search for over 2 decades, dominating how people find answers online. Its algorithm delivers billions of search results daily, helping users locate websites, videos, products, and news. However, Google's traditional search model relies heavily on keywords and ranking pages, which can be time-consuming for users who just want a quick, concise answer. Enter ChatGPT, an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, capable of understanding context, summarizing information, and generating human-like responses in real time. In 2026, ChatGPT has evolved far beyond a simple chatbot. It can answer complex questions, provide personalized recommendations, and even simulate creative problem solving. One of the biggest advantages of ChatGPT over Google is instant conversational answers. Instead of sifting through multiple search results and ads, users can ask ChatGPT a question and receive a detailed, accurate response in seconds. For example, if you want to know the best electric car for city driving in the US in 2026, ChatGPT can summarize features, prices, and even safety ratings in a single response, something Google search results often make users piece together from multiple pages. This efficiency is attracting a growing number of Americans who value speed and clarity in their online searches. Another factor giving ChatGPT an edge is personalization. Unlike traditional search engines, AI can learn from user preferences and deliver answers tailored to individual needs. Whether it's recommending the most relevant tech gadgets, predicting stock trends, or offering lifestyle advice, AI tools like ChatGPT can create a highly customized search experience that Google's general algorithms struggle to match. However, Google is not sitting idle. In 2026, Google has heavily integrated AI into its search engine through tools like Google Bard and enhanced AI snippets. These AI-powered features aim to provide direct answers, reduce click-through steps, and compete with ChatGPT's conversational style. Yet, despite these improvements, many users still feel that Google's results are sometimes cluttered with ads or overwhelming links, whereas ChatGPT gives a cleaner, more human-like interaction. The real question is whether ChatGPT can replace Google entirely. For casual searches and quick answers, AI is already taking over. But for in-depth research, academic purposes, or highly specific searches, Google's extensive indexing and trusted sources remain invaluable. Analysts predict a hybrid future where AI chatbots like ChatGPT work alongside search engines, combining conversational AI with traditional indexing for a faster, smarter, and more intuitive web experience. In conclusion, the 2026 landscape shows a dramatic shift in how Americans search online. ChatGPT is challenging Google with faster answers, personalized responses, and conversational interfaces that appeal to modern users. While Google continues to innovate, the rise of AI-driven search signals a transformation in online behavior. Whether ChatGPT will completely replace Google remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: AI is no longer just an assistant, it's becoming the new frontier of search. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.